Welcome students. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of class 5th, that is type of software. In this session, we will discuss about different types of software used. Students, a computer system can be considered to be made up of two main components, hardware and software. We have to study only about software. Software is divided into two types, system software and application software. System software is further divided into three. They are operating system, language processor, and utility software. Application software is also divided into three. They are ready-made software, tailored software, driver software. Now students, we will discuss about them one by one. Hardware. The part of computer which we can touch, feel, and see with our eyes are known as hardware. All the physical parts of computer like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, etc. are recognized as hardware components. Software. The parts of computer which we cannot touch with our hands are called software. In other words, software directs and guides the operations such as input, process, output of computer system. You cannot touch software as you can do with hardware. Software can be divided into two parts, system software and application software. System software. The software that controls the working of the computer system is called system software. It interacts directly with the computer hardware. As students, system software controls the overall operations and internal working of the computer system. It helps in the smooth functioning of a computer system. It also forms a link between the user and the hardware. Now, types of system software. There are three types of system software. They are operating system, language processor, and utility software. Now, operating system. Operating system software is a key part of all computers. It is an interface between the hardware and the user. It is responsible for the management and coordination of activities and sharing of resources of a computer. As students, an operating system or OS is the most important software without we can not work on a computer system. It is the first software that installed in a computer. It allows us to communicate with the computer. It helps us to give instructions and get our work done on the computer. A computer cannot run without an operating system. It serves as interface between the user and the hardware. Language processor. Language processor is a software designed or used to perform tasks such as processing programs code into machine code. A student, a computer is an electronic device. It understands only machine language which based on zeros and one. A language processor is a software that translates or converts a program written in computer language into a machine language so that it can be understood by a computer. An assembler, compiler, and interpreter are Examples of language processors. Utility software. The utility software is the program which is helpful and ensure proper and smooth functioning of the computer system. Utility software perform a specific task usually related to managing a computer, its devices, or programs. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of the computer system and help them it to perform better. Some utilities help you to avoid virus attack, take backup of data, recover data that have been accidentally erased, etc. Thank you.